Alright, so here's the back of my Mega Trigger device. We kind of go from right to left because my workflow is obviously left to right normally. So there's earth there. We've got input. We've got some like clock conditioning here with a input and an output there, which has a slew and a comparator in it, so I can get a good clock even from a crappy signal. Got a couple of NOT gates. This here is the board which runs these 6 clock dividers. Hang on, Rui. Between divide by 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. They're all switchable as well. There's the switches, and they've all got output jacks, which are the inverse of that. That's one of the reasons why I put the knots in there, so if I want to have it in time, I can knot the ones I want. Over here, I've got the big button. The main Arduino is in there. There it is. There's the op amp, which does the slew and the comparator, and there's the 4069, which does the NOT gates. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 channels for the big button. Here's the reset and the clock and all the buttons underneath there, and the shift and number of steps. There's the main channel selector, and there's my on-off power. Here we have the board with the Arduino and a bunch of MOSFETs to drive the power LEDs, and the trigger signal which drives the MOSFET also goes to these output points here, all of which are protected with a resistor and a Zener diode. So I think I'll be able to plug an external source in and make that light flash and not break the Arduino. Not even going to check it yet. There's the big button. Had a lot of problems with this here. Not sure what happened, but it was blowing chips. Got it fixed now. Hopefully it won't blow any more chips. Probably 2 Arduinos and a handful of op amps down. So there it is. That's the back half of the megatrig.